Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn about what is photogrammetry. Photogrammetry is one of the most important technologies used in drone surveying. It is the process that allows us to transform aerial photographs into accurate maps, measurements, and 3D models. In simple terms, photogrammetry is the science of extracting measurements and spatial information from photographs. When drones fly over a survey area, they capture hundreds or even thousands of overlapping images. These images are not just pictures, they contain valuable information about the terrain, structures, and objects on the ground. Photogrammetry software analyzes these images and identifies matching points between overlapping photographs. By comparing how the same point appears in multiple images taken from different angles, the software can calculate the exact position and elevation of that point in three-dimensional space. This process allows the software to reconstruct the landscape digitally. The result is a set of powerful mapping outputs that surveyors and engineers can use for analysis and planning. Some common outputs created through photogrammetry include orthomosaic maps, highly detailed aerial maps created by stitching together multiple images, 3D terrain models, digital representations of the landscape's shape and elevation, digital surface models, models that include terrain and objects like buildings or trees, point clouds, dense collections of 3D points representing the surface of the surveyed area. Photogrammetry works because each point on the ground is captured in multiple images with significant overlap. This overlapping imagery allows the software to calculate depth and distance, similar to how human eyes perceive depth by viewing objects from slightly different angles. That is why proper flight planning is so important in drone surveying. The drone must capture images with correct overlap and consistent flight patterns so that the photogrammetry software can accurately reconstruct the scene. Photogrammetry has been used in mapping and surveying for many years, but drones have made the process much faster and more accessible. Instead of using airplanes or ground based cameras, surveyors can now capture aerial data quickly using compact drones equipped with high resolution cameras. This technology is widely used in industries such as construction site mapping, mining and stockpile measurement, agriculture monitoring, environmental analysis, infrastructure planning. By converting simple aerial photographs into detailed geographic data, photogrammetry has become a powerful tool for modern surveying and mapping professionals. Understanding how photogrammetry works is essential for anyone working with drone surveys because it forms the foundation of drone mapping and 3D modeling. In the next lecture, we will explore how drone images are processed step by step to create accurate maps and models from aerial data.